that's too much.
Yeah.
And we have to pay for 2 people maybe 4. I don't know.
Yeah.
Have the air.
Yeah. The
That's important.
nice air.
Yeah. The beach.
Yeah.
That round one. That's like a hobbit. Bigger.
The one that they have in the apartment. Those can be old trees.
Huh?
That can be old trees there.
Now the wind suddenly disappeared.
It will come back.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah. Beautiful house too.
Yeah. Oh, they are too. And that's a bit round too.
Yeah.
Hey. Har du tatt bilde av de han der? Den var femme.
Yeah. I
Ja,
took.
femme.
I took.
Det var dritstilig.
Very nice place. And that white flower. I will shut up now.
Ja.
I saw the place.
This was nice and it was airy. So
Yeah.
you will not die here
No.
because of that.
I think it's perfect.
Yeah. Seems like that.
It's good to come here in this late afternoon.
Yeah, that too.